Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, in the last video we have studied about the property of solids. So student, now I am going to teach a new topic, the properties of liquids. Student, you know liquid is the second state of matter, and you know the one simple things, liquids have fixed volume but not fixed shape. They become not fixed. Because if you suppose that you take 1 liter water, then their volume is the 1 liter. But their shape are different. If you fill in the glass, it becomes glass shape. If it in the container, any container, it becomes contain the shape of the container. Student, you know why? Because see, is the solid, is the liquid, and is the gas. Student, you know in the solid, all the molecules are closely joined to each other. Means the intermolecular force between two molecules are very high and space are very less. That's why it becomes not able to move here and there. So such solid has a fixed shape and fixed volume. But in the liquid state, the distance between two molecules are more than solid. More than solid means if distance become increase. Student, remember, if distance become increase, then force of attraction become decrease. It's a very common thing. Clear? So student, when distance increase, space, intermolecular space increase, then force of attraction become decrease. So ultimately such things become easily flow. Means their volume are fixed but their shape are not fixed due to the less intermolecular force than solid. Clear? In the gas form, see, gas, the distance between two molecules are more than solid and liquid. So intermolecular force are negligible, are very less comparison than solids and liquid. So if any person asks why the liquid has the fixed volume but not fixed shape, so your answer is due to the less intermolecular force. If the person asks why the less intermolecular force, your answer because the distance between two molecules are more than solid. Clear? So you can see is the first property. Liquids have definite mass and volume. Their mass are fixed. Suppose that if you purchase 1 liter oil, then their weight, their mass only 9.10 gram. But their volume is the 1 liter. Means their mass are fixed, volume are fixed. Clear? But their shape are not fixed. It contains the shape of the container. Second, it takes the shape of containing vessel. Means where you fill. If you fill in the balti, it becomes balti shape. If you fill in the glass, it becomes glass shape. If you fill in the plate, it becomes plate shape. Clear? The force of attraction between molecules is less than solid. Same thing because student, in the liquids, the distance between two molecules are, in liquid, the distance between two molecules are very large comparison than solid. So if distance become increase, then force of attraction become decrease. Clear? Student, next one. The intermolecular space is larger than solid. What I am explaining here? Space, distance between two molecules. If space become increase, then attraction become decrease. Okay, student? And it has only one free surface and compressible than solid. Because in the last video we studied about the liquid have only one free surface. So student, it become compressed but very less compressible but very less compressible. In solid, is the possible to compress? No, it is not possible. But in liquid, it become compressible. It become compressible. So compressibility of liquid is more than solid. Means we easily compress the liquid comparison than solids. Okay, student. So these are the some point of the properties of liquids. Okay. Then you know gas is the third state of matter. First one is the solid, second one is the liquid, and third one is the gas. So gas is the third state of matter. Then what is their property? Why it become differ from solids and liquid? You know? Tell. Any difference between solid and liquid? Yes, solid have the fixed shape, fixed volume. Liquid have fixed volume but not fixed shape. But in gas, you know gas like hydrogen, nitrogen, air the mixture of different gases. So stand. A gas contained in a vessel has a definite mass. Means if you fill gas in any container, then but you know student, why their weight are vary? Due to their weight of container. Due to the weight of container. Some iron container become heavy, so their mass also become heavy. But each and every, what become use our house, okay, red color cylinder, their weight 14.2 kg. Each and every cylinder contain 14.2 kg. So we don't be confused. If their weight are different due to their weight of container. Cylinder weight are different. Okay. So student, means a gas contained in a vessel has a definite mass. Their mass are fixed. Okay. Second one, it occupies the entire space of given vessel. Means where you can fill the gas, it can occupy the space. Suppose that gas LPG cylinder gas become fill in the container. And how do you go release outside? When you come open the regulator. Open the regulator. Means it become released from anywhere where they get the hole. Okay. Third question. Intermolecular spaces are very large as compared to solids and liquids. And you know, gas have not fixed shape, not fixed volume. So the space between two molecules are very large. Suppose that in the class is contain air, but able to find out where the air particles? Able? No, because the space between two molecules are very large. That's why it become free now. So third point is the intermolecular space are very large in gas. Next one, student. Intermolecular force are negligible. So student, if space become increase, then force of attraction become decrease is the very common things. If suppose that you hold two things by like this, it become more force of attraction because space are very less. But if you two things hold with the one thread, so space become increase, then force of attraction become decrease. Okay student, so is the next point of the properties of gas. Student, gases have no free surface. Student, you know, in solid, liquid and gas, see, solid have many free surface. In the activity we have already explained about the solid have many. Suppose that is the marker. Is the marker na? How many free surface? One free surface, two free surface and three free surface. But in liquid, how many free surface? In liquid, only one free surface. This one. But gas, no any free surface. Where they become get path, it become release. Okay? So gas have no any free surface. It expands to a large extent when heated. Extend heat. Heat provide the kinetic energy. Heat increase the kinetic energy. So when we heat anything, suppose that you heat solid, you heat the iron, it becomes change in the liquid form. When you heat the water, it also becomes start the boil. Means after heating, the kinetic energy of the molecules become increases. It means in the case of gas, when gas become heat, their kinetic energy also become increased and their movement become very fast comparison than their first state. Clear? Student, density is the small as compared to solids and liquids. Student, density. What is the density? Gram per centimeter cube. Suppose that student, if you take one container, if their weight, see, if their length, breadth and height are 1 centimeter, if you take 1 cube container, their length, breadth and height are 1 centimeter, and you fill the water, then their weight is the 1 gram. Weight of water is the 1 gram. Is the gram per centimeter cube. So student, because the molecules are very far to each other, so gas density are very less comparison to solids and liquids. Student, and last is the diffusion. Student, diffusion means, suppose that if you take 2 container gas and hold together like this one, suppose that this is the first gas, suppose that this is the oxygen and this is the carbon dioxide. If 2 cylinders become hold together like this, then oxygen and carbon dioxide become mixed up together. Their diffusion are very fast because the kinetic energy are more in gas. But in the liquid also become diffusion. But diffusion in gas are very fast comparing than solids and liquid. Solid have the no diffusion, are very less diffusion. Liquid have the more diffusion comparison than solid, but in the gas very large diffusion, very rapidly diffusion, very fast diffusion comparison than solids and liquids. So student, these are the some points of the properties of gas. So student, next topic we will study in the next video. Thank you.